levels. I'm a rebel. Big city goth, bitch, I got several. Bitch, I fuck with devils.
Oh mein Gott! Clever! Şaka!
Wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. Switch all the same time on tape. Put this in bag, get a phone call. Girl that you fuck with, kill it so. That was this summer and nobody yo. And ever since then, when I hate myself, wanna fucking end it. Pessimistic. I don't wanna see me when I plot to piss in. But niggas been inside about the grave and digging. Have a conversation about my hate decisions. Fucking sickening. At the same time, memories surface through the grapevine. But my uncle playing with a slip knot. Put some added stress, got me fucked up. Been fucked up since a couple months they had a nigga locked up.
Let's go.